In this video, we'll guide you through installing your Lorex 2K Wi-Fi Floodlight Security Camera. Model number FL301, part of the Lorex Connect series. Inside your package, you'll find the Lorex 2K Wi-Fi Floodlight Security Camera, the power adapter, a mounting template, the adhesive mounting pad, 4 anchors and screws, and a screwdriver for the microSD compartment. Let's go over the main features of your floodlight camera. The antennas, status LED light, camera lens, dual floodlights, infrared IR lights, cable notch for rear cable routing, microphone, reset button, microSD card slot, speaker, locking thumb screw, and mounting plate. Let's install the microSD card. Note that depending on your package, a microSD card may not be included. The camera supports cards up to 256 gigabytes. To start, locate the microSD compartment on the bottom of the camera. Using the included screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and lift the cover. Slide the microSD card into the slot until it clicks into place. Reattach the cover and tighten both screws. Let's add your floodlight camera to the Lorex Connect app. Download Lorex Connect from the App Store or Google Play. Log in or create an account. Tap Add Device and select 2K Floodlight Camera. Power on the floodlight camera, then tap Next in the app. Scan the QR code on the back of the floodlight camera. Then tap Add this device when the floodlight camera is detected. Tap Join to connect to the floodlight camera's hotspot. Note, if you don't see a prompt, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select the camera network, then return to the app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This floodlight camera connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Name your floodlight camera and tap Continue. Allow any updates to install. Don't unplug or power off the floodlight camera until the update is complete. To install the floodlight camera, you will need a drill, crosshead screwdriver, and a ladder. Start by using the mounting template to mark and drill the holes. If you're mounting on drywall, wood, brick, or concrete, insert the provided anchors. Stick the adhesive mounting pad onto the back of the mounting plate. If rear routing, align the pad opening with the plate's cable notch. Loosen the locking thumb screw to separate the mounting bracket from the mounting plate. Align the mounting plate with the drilled holes and secure with provided screws using a crosshead screwdriver. Place the camera's bracket onto the mounted plate and start turning the locking thumb screw clockwise. Adjust the camera to your preferred angle, then fully tighten the locking thumb screw. The bracket rotates 360 degrees and tilts down 90 degrees, while the camera pans 180 degrees. Connect the camera cable to the power adapter until it clicks for a weather-tight seal. Plug the power adapter into a power outlet. You're all set. Open Live View, pan to explore, schedule lighting, enable motion and AI detection, and watch recordings in playback. Need help? Visit help.lorex.com and search for your product by name or model number. You'll find installation guides and troubleshooting tips. Enjoy your Lorex 2K Wi-Fi Floodlight Security Camera.